welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing our September 2019 Sips By box. So for those of you that do not know, Sips By is a tea subscription, but it is a personalized tea subscription. That's right, personalized. You can go online when you sign up and you fill out a survey letting them know what types of flavors you enjoy, if you prefer caffeinated, if you prefer decaf, if you like tea bags or loose leaf tea. You can let them know all the tea and they will customize your subscription. And they send you 4 different teas, and they're usually enough to make 15 to 16 or more cups of tea every month, which is amazing. And you get to try new teas. So I think this is fantastic. I love it. I definitely selected that I like high caffeine. One thing too I think is really neat is if you do get loose leaf tea, say you don't have a steeper, they will include little bags that you can put your tea into to steep your tea. So they've got you covered. And it's only $15 a month, y'all. It's only $15. I do have a promo code that I will put down below, as well as a link to Sips By. Promo code will save you $5 off your first box, so you can get it for only $10. And let's get in here and see what teas I got for September. I think the box is so adorable. I think I talk about this all the time, but if you look, it's like little hearts and tea leaves. It's just so cute. So let's, well, I guess I didn't cut it. There we go. I got it that time. All right. So when you open it, it says Sips By and enjoy your teas. There's always a card here on top that will tell you about your teas. Sorry, I was looking at that. All right, so it says September teas made for Nikki, because again, it's customized. So this is what I see when we pull all of that back. So it's definitely full. So we are going to get in here. Can you believe it's already September? Nope, I sure can't. Long summer days are starting to become shorter and cooler, and we're craving more hot tea. Visit your My Sips page to explore tea lessons, recipes, and more. Share a pic of your Sips By box to enter to win a free month. Happy almost fall, Nikki. Well, as you guys can see, I was ready for fall. I've tried to hold off till September 1st, and I couldn't even do that. It went up a little early. I love everything about fall. It's my favorite time of year. All right, so let's just get into it. We have, oh, we have something that looks really, really awesome in here. All right. All right, so sometimes they will send, like, they only sent 2 of these because looking at it, one of these is good for 16 ounces. So technically that's 2 8-ounce cups of tea. So, but we have 2 of these, and this is the Moonlight Jasmine by Rishi. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I hope I am. It is a medium caffeine. This prized jasmine scented tea is made exclusively from spring harvest tea buds. Earn double dose. Each double dose sachet can brew up a small pot for 2 or an extra large mug. And it's 1 sachet per 16 ounces of water, 185 degrees, steep for 5 minutes, and you can re-steep it twice. Or it says to re-steep 2 times. So great. Oh, I cannot talk today, you guys. I apologize. organic green tea with jasmine. So that is awesome. Yay. And then we have, this is what looks so awesome. I don't know that I have seen tea like this before. And we have 4. So I'm just gonna show you one. This is a Rose Earl Grey Sips by Tea Drops. 1 drop per 8 to 12 ounces of water, 212 degrees. Once the tea bag, what does that say? Pour, drop, enjoy. This is, I can't read it because it's like printed. This is a true loose leaf tea. Some sediment will be at the bottom of your cup. Drink it up. Oh, okay. But that's very interesting. I've never seen anything like that. It has organic raw cane sugar, organic Earl Grey tea, and then organic black tea, organic bergamot oil, organic rose petals. It's a high caffeine tea. Yay. Bold and royal, this organic Earl Grey tea drop has a distinctive flavor of bergamot orange with a hint of English rose. You're just a drop away from your perfect cuppa. That's awesome. All right, and then what do we have here? We have 4 of these guys. And this is number 47, Stephen Smith Tea Maker Bungalow Full Leaf Black Tea. Right there. On the package, it says, grown at high elevation in the foothills of the Himalayas, this blend of organic first and second flush Darjeeling teas produces a light yet exceptionally complex tea with the aroma and flavor of fruits, nuts, and flowers complemented by rich, toasty, buttery notes. A tea of daily celebration. And this says Bungalow Sips by Smith Tea Maker. It's one sachet per 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees. Steep for 5 minutes, re-steep 2 times. A blend of high crown, hand-picked Indian Darjeeling first and second flush something teas. FTGFOPI. I'm not sure. It's high caffeine, produces a light yet complex tea with a nuanced flavor due to high elevation. That sounds really awesome, and I love that it's a high caffeine tea. All right, and then we have one more. This one, it looks like they sent 3 of. So this is the 3. And this is from Asheville Tea Company. Lemon Yapon, lemon balm, lemon peel, lemongrass. And this is a low caffeine. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 208 degrees, steep for 3 to 6 minutes. Regionally sourced Yupon, locally grown lemon balm, lemon peel, and lemongrass. Yupon is the only caffeinated plant native to North America. It has been used by Native Americans for thousands of years and contains theobromine, which creates a euphoric feeling. That's interesting. I'm curious to see. This is Asheville. This is from Asheville, North Carolina. Yay! Local craft tea blended by hand in small batches using the finest locally sourced seasonal botanicals. We love a good cuppa and find inspiration for our blends in the unique flavors of our hometown of Asheville, North Carolina. Put the kettle on, put 1 tea bag in your favorite cup, add hot water and steep. See front for water temperature and time. Serve and enjoy. So this is a tea from my state. So that's awesome. And I like the idea of the lemon. So we have 3 of these Asheville lemon teas. We have 4 here of the Steve Smith Tea Maker Bungalow teas. We have 4 of the tea drops. These seem really, really awesome. And then we have 2 of the Moonlight Jasmine. It's actually like a, I think this would say this was like an Earl Grey, didn't it? Or am I just not? Or green tea, not Earl Grey, green tea. So it's a scented green tea, but both of these makes, or each of these make 16 ounces. So this really is like 4 cups. I do want to see what this little paper here says. This looks like it's going to talk about the tea drops. Let's brew, let me get these tea bags out of my way. And it says, let's brew tea magic, some tea magic. This is talking about the tea drops. So you pour 8 to 12 ounces of boiling water, drop your tea. Careful, it's hot, enjoy. One day, Sashi wanted tea without the bag, so she created tea magic. Ooh, there's a sweet peppermint version. Ooh, I bet that would have been good. When you buy tea drops, you donate clean water to the Thirst Project. Oh, they give back. I love that. They also have citrus ginger. I bet that sweet peppermint would have been amazing. All right, so that was my Sips By for September 2019. What did you guys think? It is definitely getting to the point where we can start enjoying a good cup of hot tea. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get Sips By? Let me know what you got. Were we twins? It's not very often I see people get the exact same. You may see 1 or 2 that are the same as far as, you know, what's in their box, but then usually because this is a personalized subscription, it's going to be different for everyone. Again, I will put the link and that promo code to save you $5 off your first box down below. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.